Imagine being able to stay up to date with the latest Formula One racing news and updates right from the comfort of your own home. This is exactly what Mazar 888 has achieved with their innovative project, which utilizes an ESP32 to track the sport and display a live dashboard on a 2.9-inch tricolor LCD. But here's the fascinating part. This project doesn't just stop at displaying static information. It actually fetches updates every 30 minutes, giving you a near real-time experience. And this is the part most people miss. The ESP32 is able to achieve this while minimizing its energy footprint, thanks to its ability to sleep for most of the time. Although this particular project isn't battery-powered, the potential for battery life extension is huge. So, what kind of data can you expect to see on this live dashboard? For starters, you'll get access to overall team rankings, upcoming races, and even the current pole position occupant during a race. But that's not all. The ESP32 is also being used as a web server to host a full dashboard, complete with extra information, settings, and over-the-air OTA updates. The screen and dev board are neatly housed inside a conventional 3D printed case, making for a sleek and compact design. Normally, when we think of Formula One, we're looking at the clever hacks that racing teams come up with to gain a competitive edge. However, this project takes a different approach, showcasing a unique use for a small e-ink module that goes beyond the usual weather display. In fact, this project is open source under a GPL 3.0 license, with code and STLs available on GitHub for anyone to access and modify. So, if you're working on a project that involves an e-ink display or anything else that you think we'd love to hear about, be sure to send it our way. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you think this project is a game changer for Formula One fans? Or is it just a novelty? Should more projects focus on using e-ink displays in innovative ways, or are there better technologies out there? Let us know what you think in the comments. And this raises an interesting question. What other potential applications could this technology have, beyond just displaying sports updates? Could we see a future where e-ink displays are used in more practical, everyday devices? The possibilities are endless, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter.